it's Strawberry Savannah, and this is my dad. And today we're going to be doing the Who Can Make the Best Slime Challenge.
I'm going to be making edible slime. I've never made slime before, so we'll have to see how it goes. Okay. Well, are you ready?
Yep.
Well, let's go have some fun.
Hold on. Here you go, Dad.
I'm really not going to need glue. I don't make my slime with glue. I make it differently.
I'm making a big batch. Okay.
And I'm having coffee.
So we're going to get started.
Okay, you go ahead and get started, and then I'll get started in just a minute. And we're just going to have some fun. As you can see, we're sitting in the backyard. We love the backyard because we know we're going to make a mess. That's for sure.
Exactly.
I like this Strawberry Savannah thing. It's kind of cool. So you can put glue in your slime?
Yep.
So I take it your slime's not edible. Oh, okay. Well, let me get my ingredients for my slime. Today, I'm making slime out of spaghetti and meatballs. Yeah! And it's going to be edible. And it's going to be good.
Have you licked?
Guaranteed.
Do you know how to make it out of that?
Yes, I do.
I've never seen anybody make it.
Yes, I do. First, we got to open up the ingredients. Then we pour them in the bowl. Yeah. Okay.
I really thought he bought Starburst at first, but apparently he bought that.
So this is actually going to be kind of cool. You're going to stir it. Squish it. Make it good. Look, it looks just like slime. Look. Squish it. Squish it some more. If you squish it really good, it really comes out slimy. Look. Look how slimy. Oh my God, it looks just like slime. Squish it some more. So how you doing, Savannah, with your slime?
Good, I just put the glue in.
It's taking you forever.
You're squishing.
It's so delicious looking. Strawberry, not strawberry. Well, I wouldn't want to make strawberry slime. Well, maybe I wouldn't want to make strawberry slime. It might be good. How's strawberry slime?
Sure. At least his slime smells good.
You know what it smells like?
Spaghetti.
And meatballs.
Yeah.
You're making a lot of slime.
Yep.
You're going to be out of glue.
I am out of glue.
You have to buy her some more glue.
I
think I'm going to get a gallon of glue.
They're at Michael's for like $18.
Oh, look at that slime. That is so good. And look. Oh, yeah.
You see, I thought
edible
he was going to win.
Huh?
That's all you're doing. That's your slime.
That's my slime challenge. Make your slime.
I can't open the box. But I don't.
Boy, is that ever good. Woo. Remember, this channel's not about me. It's about you.
But what the heck? I can't open a box.
Okay.
No. You needed to wash your hands first.
My goodness. How you open
I'm not good at opening boxes.
Obviously. They got a little bitty thing right here to poke.
I can't open it
either. Oh, well, you already beat it open anyway. Here.
Thank you.
That's one way to open it, I guess. My slime's delicious.
I guess it's lunchtime.
This for me. Want some?
No.
Why? Good.
You already asked me that.
That's all you're putting in there?
No, I'm gonna put more. I just can't.
Oh, what a mess.
Who?
You. I didn't even make a mess.
Yes, look at your hands.
What's wrong with it?
What?
I'm probably going to get all kind of comments. That's disgusting. And that's okay.
I just spilled baking soda all over my pants.
Well, naturally. Why wouldn't you? What are you doing? Why are you beating on the bowl?
I'm trying.
Trying to what? Trying to break the box?
No.
What are you trying to do?
I can't.
Huh? Nah.
The box is open. That's why.
Oh, yeah, no joke, huh?
That's why I was shaking it. Ah!
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Where'd y'all buy this stuff at?
Save a lot.
The
I mean,
$1 million for
Walmart.
$1 store? Mmm. Stuff all over me.
I thought he was actually gonna make good slime.
Good. I did make good time. It's delicious. You want some?
No.
How many of y'all think we should take a bite? Let us know in the comments if you think Savannah should have took a bite. Mm-hmm. Golly. You got baking soda everywhere. You even got it on me.
Look at your.
What?
Okay, where's some color? And I'm gonna put blue food coloring in there. No.
I'm about to use a spoon. I'm about to use a
Stop.
spoon. Give me a spoon. Look, you just take it and lay it in there. It'll be alright. See? It's alright. Oh, there it goes. Sliding down in this line.
One.
Blue. Blue. You know. Mm-hmm. This is good. One done?
I don't
One
think
done?
they would want any. Y'all don't want any.
Oh, look at my slime. Boy, boy, boy.
You can't even play with that.
I'm playing with it right now. What you talking about? I play with it. I
I
throw
mean,
it at
like,
you. Food fight!
I don't have any food to fight with.
One done?
Now I'm gonna put my contact solution in.
Mm-hmm.
Only a little bit at a time.
Delicious.
Yeah. The food is delicious, but not that.
And we're using contact solutions, baking soda, and glue, and spaghetti and meatballs, which I'm going to be putting in Savannah slime in a few minutes.
No, you're not.
Well, maybe not. Mm-hmm.
Coming together, kind of. I think I need more baking soda.
Our video is still running.
No dur.
Duh, no duh, no duhs. Duh. What the hell does duh? Oops, I'm sorry. What does duh mean anyway? Duh.
Pretend like y'all didn't hear that.
You're gonna need like a ton of baking soda to get that to turn slimy.
I'm a mess, okay?
Oh, it's getting slimy.
It's in me.
It's turning into slime. Mine too. Maybe if I added some glue
I don't have any more
and
glue.
some baking soda.
Then you can't eat it.
Taste that. It smells like it says it's non-toxic. So, see? Can you see it? Probably not.
No.
Um. Mm. I don't even know.
Stop.
You need more baking soda.
How do you know?
Because
This is the activator.
We'll put some more activator. That's the aggravator. That might be the activator, but that's the aggravator.
He's so rude.
I'm not rude.
This is hard.
Whoa, cool. Cool looking. She's making blue slime, yo.
More like bubbly slime.
Next time we need to use a clear bowl.
Oh my god.
It's hard.
Yes, it's getting hard,
Hard
to
to
mix.
stir. Mine is real easy to stir. Want some?
You didn't even. If you ask me that one more time.
Want some?
Shut up! I don't want any.
Oh, but Dad, that's good, yeah. Oh, it looks like snot.
Blue stuff, yeah.
A Smurf. Smurf snot. Smurf. Oh.
No, Smurf stove.
Smurf snot. I couldn't say Smurf.
Shimmer. Shimmer.
Smurf snot. I'm just calling it.
Smurf snot. Smurf smash and mash.
Say that 5 times real fast.
Smurf snot. Smurf snot. Smurf snot.
Smurf snot. Try that 5 times real fast. It's a tongue twister. Oh. Yeah.
Sorry.
You got baking soda in my spaghetti. I best get it. I bet I get it.
It's baking soda, so it
I
won't
guess
hurt
I better go put it in the oven
Oh,
so I can bake it.
come together already. It's starting to, but wait.
I'm getting there.
Ah! What? Oh.
Some children can make this slime really, really neatly. Why? It's all about having fun, right? And the more messier you make it, the better it is. You getting there?
Mhm.
Kinda, but it's still sticky. We need more activator.
Activator, yes.
Yes, more aggravator. Oh, that's
It needs to come together.
whoa. Food coloring. Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna start kneading mine.
It's green.
What did
It's green.
He's so rude.
Ooh. I put food color in there. It's green. Does it taste any different? Still taste like the same thing. But it's green now. Yuck. I'm not eating that now. No way.
Oh, it's so sticky.
So if you mix orange and blue and yellow, it comes out green. Huh? Isn't that something? Hey, you know what happens if you dip a a green hat into blue water? You get a wet hat. Whoa, that's cool looking.
It's not. It's still really sticky.
It's sticky. Why is it so? Well, real slime is sticky.
Yeah.
The stuff you buy at the stores, because that's why your mama don't like it. You better put it in the bowl.
No, don't move.
All right, I'm going over here and rinse all this off of me in the bowl. I'm going to rinse my bowl.
And I'm going to try to
I didn't know why
get
we
this.
make slime in the backyard.
Exactly. That's why you should do it in a backyard or in a yard. But if you're going to do it inside, you should put stuff down. If that makes sense. I don't know if it does. It's coming together very slowly. Coming together very slowly. Come on. And I have one thing to say. You should never put slime on your face, because one time I did that and it kind of stuck to my hair.
Come back. I'm back.
Oh no, he's back. What is he
I'm
going
finished
to do?
making my slime.
I seriously thought he was gonna make like the best slime ever. And he pulled out that. It's like it's starting to get non-stickier.
Oh yeah, it's getting cool now.
Come on.
That's because of the activator.
Yes, Mr. Aggravator.
Really? That's what makes it non-sticky? The aggravator?
Yeah.
I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. More coffee.
Coffee's not.
So I made my edible slime, and I ate it, and then I put food coloring in it, and it turned yucky looking.
And then he stopped eating it.
So then I threw it away.
Such a waste of
Are we
food.
finished with the glue?
Yeah.
Where's your other glue?
It's right there.
Yeah. So you
So-
finished with this one too?
Here's my slime.
Well,
It's still kind of sticky. But and it's really stretchy. And I made a big batch, so
hey, I wonder if I left these two together, if they would glue together. Probably so, huh?
probably, but we don't want to do that.
Why? You don't want to do it, but I do.
Because if we do that, you see how there's still glue in there? I might need that.
Hey, your slime came out pretty.
Yeah.
You got pretty slime. She's got pretty slime, y'all. She got the kind of slime even Cinderella would play with.
Yeah, it's so
You can't be eating in the camera. There you go. Look how pretty, y'all. It looks like taffy. Oh, slimy.
And if y'all are wondering, where the heck is her big giant wig? It's really annoying to wear that, so yeah, I'm just gonna look like this for the rest of my videos.
Good girl. Alright.
Can I see the glue?
Huh?
Can I see the glue?
See it?
Yeah.
See? Pretty.
No, no.
See it?
I mean,
See how pretty it is?
give me it.
It's in a bottle. It has some
Give
glue
me-
on it. So yeah. You just said, oh, you want to hold the glue.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you just wanted to see the glue. You want to see the empty one too?
No.
See, it's pretty, it's empty, there's nothing in it no more. Look,
Oops.
you stuck slime on my table.
It'll come off.
No, it won't. Ew. Yuck. Ew, it's like playing with snot. How y'all do this goofy stuff? I'll never understand.
That's
Man, look, I got a big old blue booger stuck on my finger. Your brother dropped the dime. He made the dime.
I feel like this needs more activator, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. This slime really needs to like come together.
All right.
Yep, I'm done.
I have reached higher. I have reached higher. You what?
I'm done.
You done with what? The video?
My slime.
Oh, your slime. That's so cool. Can you see it?
No, it's sticky. Ready?
Oh, it's not unsticky yet? Oh, that's got glue all the off the yard. You saw that? That was cool.
Oh my god. This is so annoying.
What's annoying?
The slime won't stop sticking to me.
You want some more solution?
No,
Some more of this?
no. Because
Aggravated?
if I put more, then it's gonna become too hard and it's gonna rip.
It's gonna what?
Rip.
Whip.
It's gonna become like my other slimes. That's why my other slimes were like that.
Oh,
I
man.
added too much effort.
Oh, man.
Baking soda.
Oh, man. Look at where the slime went. Oh, man.
It's on his nose.
It won't go away. It's like a booger. I can't get rid of it. All right, let's go on now.
All right.
All right. Oh, man.
So put down in the comments who made better slime.
Yeah. Let us know who made better slime, and just let us know, okay, y'all. And come on, Savannah, we had a good time making this video. We're gonna be making another one pretty shortly. Actually, Strawberry and Savannah will be making them from now on. I just wanted to have some fun. I want to give a shout out to all you people that make slime out there. Y'all
Which
awesome.
is like everyone.
All right, bye bye. Bit off thing, yeah.